I would like to now welcome on stage the CEO and Managing Director, Hindustan Unilever Limited, and the President of Unilever South Asia. We're talking about Mr. Rohit Jawa to deliver the opening address. What do the contours of advertising look like from the vantage point of the largest advertiser in the country? How will this dynamic landscape evolve, and what should be the strategy adopted by the advertisers to ensure honest and responsible advertising? Let's hear this and more from none other than Mr. Rohit Jawa. Let's give him a mighty round of applause as we welcome him, ladies and gentlemen.
Pleasure to be here today amidst such august gathering. Mr. Rohit Kumar Singh, Secretary, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. Mr. N.S. Rajan, Chairman, ASCI. Mr. Vikram Sahai, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Distinguished industry colleagues and friends from the advertising industry, thank you for having me here. I feel quite fortunate to be here in my early stages of this role and to meet all of the stalwarts and some people that I've admired for many, many years in the same room. It's really a pleasure. There's nothing permanent except change. And while changes over the ages brought in progress in human life, the pace of change today is unprecedented. It is believed that in mid-1800s, the first transatlantic steamship was built. It took over 100 years after that for the humankind to enter space. And today, about 4 decades later, we are looking at possibility of excursion to Mars and very proudly have landed on the south side of the moon, an Indian spaceship. The science and technology have been transforming human life at a lightning speed. People can attend school from home, get doctor's advice from their living room, and needless to say, shop on the way. For businesses, I'm sure all of us will agree, it has thus become imperative to serve our consumers where they are, which in large way is online in the years to come. In fact, a report predicted digital ad spends in India to reach a massive $20-odd billion in the next 5 or 6 years. After all, marketeers and advertisers need to be where the consumers are going to be and are. Highlighting the advertising of importance for every marketeer, Henry Ford had once said, stopping advertising to save money is like stopping your watch to save time. Over the years, consumers have changed and advertising has evolved to fit their aspirations. But one thing has not changed is the need for advertising to the marketing industry. In early days, pamphlets will talk about the efficacy of a product, sheets wash clean and white thanks to Sunlight soap. It was a time to build consumer knowledge about detergent soaps, educate the consumers. But then consumers evolved to aspiring for more than just the product efficacy, and ads also made the shift. At a time when ad industry in the detergent category was limited to functional aspects of cleaning and adding fragrance to clothes, Surf Excel, a brand that I was proudly associated with as a brand manager, moved away from functional proposition and with its Dirt is Good campaign, didn't once talk about cleaning clothes. Instead, highlighted the importance of building good values in children while getting dirty. Today, advertising is no longer restricted to the written word or moving images. With consumers moving online and entering the world of AI, advertising too has gone digital. Be it through digital ads, product placements on OTT, creating a world on the metaverse, and even influencer marketing. Advertising truly is about reaching the consumer through creativity, and as Einstein once said, creativity is intelligence, having fun. Oftentimes, you've seen this fun get a little out of hand. For instance, I believe during the pandemic, a mattress claimed to have prevented the COVID-19 virus. On a serious note, we are all aware what can happen if the ad campaigns are not fully regulated. Clearly, I'm sure all of us will agree, there needs to be guardrails for advertising. In fact, history of self-regulation can be traced back to the late 19th century, post-industry. As the first formalized code of advertising was launched as early as 1925 by the Association of Publicity Clubs in the UK. Self-regulation can ensure the ads can continue to be honest, truthful, decent, safe, and fair. Because after all, as the great Edmund Ogilvy has said, never write an advertisement which you won't want your family to read. Exactly with this purpose of ensuring that advertising creativity was also responsible, nearly 4 decades ago, the Advertising Standards Council of India, or ASCI, was founded by 43 members. By 1990, the ASCI code had become a part of the advertising code of Doordarshan and All India Radio. ASCI has successfully propagated self-regulation in advertising and made its processes transparent and time-bound, backed by both technical and judicial experts. With high compliance scores, the body has demonstrated that self-regulation can indeed be a workable model that balances creativity with responsibility. ASCI, and in fact, over the years, ensured that self-regulation takes deep roots into the advertising and marketing fraternity. Today, with the CCPA, ASCI can in fact extend its deep institutional knowledge, industry experience, and expertise in the area, not just to the marketers, but also to the government. The need for regulation in advertising has become even more pronounced in the digital age. In face of need for marketers to create their niche in consumer minds in fiercely competitive market, for instance, with rising consumer affinity towards sustainability, we have also witnessed increasing number of cases of greenwashing. Be it a coffee maker having consumers believe that their coffee pods were easily recyclable, or a fast fashion chain that was pulled up because most of the sustainability claims failed to hold up when investigated. Making a misleading claim is no longer restricted to the marketer alone. In the digital age, we see a recent trend of social media influencers who may or may not have the subject matter expertise in passing judgments on a product, either through tie-ups or even independently. Clearly, in the new digital space, while it brings a host of new opportunities, it also does bring challenges for preventive action and self-regulation, making it really, really imperative. As India's largest FMCG business, which reaches 9 out of 10 Indian households with its products, we at Hindustan Unilever Limited are committed to ensure that advertising is responsible, regulated, and safeguards the interests of consumers and society at large. Because as one of the largest advertisers in India, we realize at the end of the day, nobody counts the number of ads you run, they just remember the impression you make. We truly believe that self-regulation can benefit everyone: policymakers, consumers, the advertising ecosystem, and society at large. We believe the best way to solve a problem is by preventing it at the get-go, and thus strive to embed the seeds of good, ethical advertising in any organization and train every marketer. We have a robust internal process to ensure all our product claims are overall substantiated. In fact, we have a 3-tier approach to all claims: research and clinical, legal and compliance, and finally safety. We've always worked collaboratively with ASCI to ensure that any concerns raised by our competitors, our consumers, or third parties are effectively resolved. In fact, recently we have collaborated with ASCI to conduct a master class on claims and advertising as a part of our internal education program. The training helped our marketers understand the importance of self-regulation and understand the fine line between creativity and exaggeration. The training helped them to commit to working with responsible influencers and agency partners who are then equally aware of the regulation. We believe that these trainings will ensure that self-regulation is upheld, advertising can truly benefit consumers and society at large, and we are supporting ASCI in their endeavor to formalize such trainings as a part of the Advisory Council to support teachers, students, and new advertiser partners get sensitized to the regulations. So in conclusion, I would like to quote Michael Jordan, "The talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships." Today, I can confidently claim that as an industry, when it comes to ensuring self-regulation, we are on the path to become champions. I can see so many representatives from across the length and breadth of the industry have come together today because they are united by one belief, the belief that creative, responsible, and progressive advertising is our collective goal. We need to indeed keep up this momentum and stand united when it comes to having the right kind of ethical advertising that does good for the business and society at large. I would also like this opportunity to laud ASCI for their service towards promoting free and fair advertising. The work they've done as self-regulation organization is indeed very commendable. I wish them the very best for the launch of the new ASCII Academy and truly believe it'll help in embedding the spirit of good advertising in the industry. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you.